Imagine a world where every discarded item gets a second chance. Our planet faces a crisis, buried under the weight of our waste. But there's hope through recycling, transforming waste into resources. Recycling benefits are immense, saving energy and reducing pollution. How to recycle starts at home, separating paper, plastic, and glass. The impact on the environment is profound, preserving our natural resources. Communities worldwide are embracing recycling, leading by example. Innovative recycling methods are emerging, making the process more efficient. Every recycled item contributes to a healthier planet. The journey of recycling is a testament to human ingenuity and care for our Earth. By recycling, we write a story of hope, resilience, and sustainability. Our collective action can turn the tide, making the world a cleaner place. Let's embrace the power of recycling for us and future generations. Together, we can create a legacy of a sustainable and vibrant Earth. Join the movement. Recycle, renew, and revive our world.